We have used a bash script to scan Markdown file and collect all the results. If you missed that, the article and video links are in the description, you can check them out. Now the problem is, the log file we get from the bash script is too messy. It's full of raw output and it's really difficult to understand which file has broken links and why. This is where Python comes in. Python will help us take that messy log and turn it into something structured, readable and even ready for automation. Bash is great for automation, finding files, running the links and collecting the result. But Bash is not great for parsing text deeply. The logs from Markdown Link Check are unstructured, which makes them hard to analyze directly. So we need another layer, that is layer of Python. What Python will do? First, it will parse. It will read the log file line by line. And second, it will do the pattern matching, detect file name and broken links entities. Third, structuring. It will group broken links by the file they belongs to, and then reporting. It present result in a clean format, and exporting. Save the data as JSON, text or in CSV format as we need it for CI/CD pipeline. Think it of this way as Bash collect and Python organize. What we need before understanding what Python will do, we should understand what should be needed in Python. Before coding, let's check what we need. The best part, we don't need heavy libraries, only Python standard libraries are enough. We need RE for regex, which is for doing pattern matching to find broken links, and we need sys to take command line input like log file path, etc. We need OS for working with file path safety, and JSON to export result in a structured format, and default dictionary from collection to neatly group link under each file, and pandas libraries. These come built into Python, so no installation required. In this video, we understand why Python is needed and what role it will play in our Markdown file check project. In the next video, we will actually write the Python code step by step. Stay tuned and don't forget to check the description for the bash script if you missed it.